I know some of you guys had problems with this. This is an equation to help you find the concentration of the one you weren't given. So there's a couple ways it can be used. I can give you the concentration of the hydrogen ions and say, what's the concentration of the OH ions? And you could set that equal to 1 times 10 to the negative 14, because it's always 1 times 10 to the negative 14, this times that, for a solution. I could give you the OH, and I could ask for the hydrogen concentration, or I can give you both of these and ask you what is Kw, but Kw is always going to be 1 times 10 to the negative 14. Calculating pH, negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration, anti-log. So if I give you the pH and I want the concentration of the hydrogen ions, what you're going to do in your calculator, it's actually 10 to the minus pH. That's the easy way to do it in your calculator if you're anti-log challenged like I am. So you just do your 10 to the power button, don't have to do anything in front of it, 10 to the power and then the negative pH of whatever you were given. And that answer will be your concentration of the hydrogen ions. POH is going to be the negative log of the OH ions concentration, and the anti-log is the same thing. It's going to be 10 to the negative POH. Acidic solution is less than 7, neutral is equal to 7, basic is greater than 7. And on the next slide, I think I have a handy dandy cheater way to calculate. There we go, the great pH square. So, if you write hydrogen concentration here, OH concentration here, pH and POH, if you have this, then you know how to get to anything you want. So let's say I gave you the POH and I want the hydrogen ion concentration. I could go a couple ways. So if I have the POH, then I can take 14 minus the POH. That gives me the pH. Then I can take the pH and do 1 times 10 to the negative pH to get my hydrogen ion concentration. Or I could go a different way. I could go 1 times 10 to the negative POH to get my OH concentration, and then I could do 1 times 10 to the negative 14 divided by the OH to get my hydrogen concentration. I could go from hydrogen ions to POH, pH to hydrogen concentration. So this tells you exactly what you need to do to get anywhere you want. So I definitely recommend this ending up on your cheat sheet if you need help with that. You can take a picture, you can go back to it in the video. Anyone have questions on how to use this?
Is 1 times 10 to the negative pH the same as anti-log?
Yep. So this is what I was telling you. The easy way is just do your 10 to the negative POH. So you know when we do our scientific notation, we do something times and then you have a button that's like 10 to the x.
Yeah.
So you just do 10 to the x and then negative whatever your POH is that you were given or your pH. All right, can I go to the next slide?
Yeah.
All right, well, that's it for that one. So, regular chem, that was your review. This is gonna be a little more first semester. If you wanna stay to see it, since a lot of second semester builds on first semester, you're welcome to. And if I get through this quick enough, I might go through a couple of questions that are on your final, on subjects you have questions on. It's up to you. Do you guys need a stretching break or anything? Alright, stand up about 3 minutes.